Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. It is after lunchtime, as we're vlogging a little bit later today, but we have a really fun video for you guys today because we finally finished baby Jagger's little nursery. So we're gonna be doing a room makeover slash nursery room reveal. I know we've talked about it before, I think mostly on Instagram. But we share rooms with our babies so they don't get like their own separate nursery in their own room. So we kind of redid our bedroom to make it super baby friendly. And I'm really, really excited about how it turned out. I think it turned out super cute. It's good. Just waking up.
Yeah, he's doing good. He had a little snackaroni a minute ago, and he's kind of looking around, talking. Oh, smiling.
Oh, and you want to
laughing and hiccuping and everything.
So he's laughing at, you can show him real quick. We can kind of explain. So it is birds.
It's actually kind of awesome.
We're getting ready for, we decorate early for Halloween. And Jeff did this like bird collage on the wall, and oh my gosh, he's smiling. And ever since Jeff put it up a couple days ago, Jagger can't stop looking at it. Like, he loves it. He looks at all the birds and he like smiles and laughs and makes little baby noises. And it's pretty much the cutest thing ever. So are you ready to show him your room? Do you want to show him your stuff?
Show him all your awesome stuff? That's a yes. All right, let's go.
So we're upstairs now, and we figured we'd start on the floor because this is Jagger's favorite spot.
Yes.
We set up a little play area for him on the floor of our bedroom, and he has like this little, what do you call these? His little like play mat?
It's yeah, just like a, I don't know, it's a back play mat. It's
so cute. He loves black and white, just like, you know, it's probably why he likes the birds downstairs. So this is great for him, but it has little hooks so we can add like extra toys, and we have
sometimes you put the little rings on there.
Yeah, little rings, like all sorts of stuff, and he loves it. So every morning and afternoon he has toy time on this little mat, which is super fun. You love it, right, buddy? he's like that's a
and then he uses the Dock-a-tot sometimes, like for naps.
So he has like a little play. This is down here for playtime or nap time, and he has a little lounger over here as well. So basically, it's like little baby play.
And we can move them around.
Pillows, like floor pillows, which I should be sitting on one. I didn't grab one, or sometimes I sit over there. And then he's got this little basket of toys.
Oh yeah, let me go. I'll give you guys a toy tour. Let's see here. It looks like a little dino adventure, another dinosaur, all sorts of little rattles and fun things. These are the rings that sometimes
he loves these. Yeah,
we hang on there and
I like put him in here. Like, he immediately looked at it.
It's like, oh,
these are like his favorite. We'll try to touch them with his hands. He doesn't quite have the coordination down yet.
Well, he's like 10 weeks, so he's on par. He's you know. He started off like a little tiny peanut. So
he was so tiny. So he was like 5 pounds 4 ounces when he was born.
Yeah.
And he is like 15 pounds now.
Little chunker dunk.
He's like basically tripled in body weight, and he's not even 3 months old yet. That has to be like some sort of record or something. I don't know. This is a 3 to 6 month outfit that he's wearing.
And it's a little snuggle.
And it's snug
it's a little,
in the thighs. Because he's got little chowder thighs.
Yeah.
And it is, it's a little snug. He's like, stop talking about me. It is cute though, because it has a little fox on it. I thought it was cute. So in addition to the little floor cushions that we can move around, we have a little bench here at the end of our bed, and we have a chair. And we actually pulled this chair in from, it used to be in our guest room.
Yeah.
But we thought it kind of fit in here with the rest of our decor, so.
And like you could burp them.
Yeah, because we don't have a rocking chair, which I know Jeff really wants a rocking chair, but we really don't have room for one.
We could get a little slim fit one right here.
We could if it was tiny. Maybe we'll get a rocking chair. Maybe. We have this plant mirror here.
Wait. Maybe. I know what that means when we say that to the kids. Maybe.
We'll see. We'll see.
Depends on how your behavior is.
Right. He's got a little lounger. This is like a little boppy lounger. It matches his play mat, which is super fun. He's like, Mom, what are we doing in here? He's very verbal today, though. He's talking a ton. So we're going to start on this side of the room. I've actually been sleeping on this side of the bed recently, although Jeff and I are known to switch sides occasionally or every couple months.
Keep it interesting.
We do have our exercise bike in here. This just seems like the best place to have it in our house. So I dusted it off the other day because I really didn't use it at all during my pregnancy. But I just got cleared by the doctor to start exercising again. So hopefully I start using it soon. This is one of Jagger's sleeping arrangements. He has a couple options in the room that we'll show you. But we got this one because he really, really likes movement. And the little pack and play crib thing just wasn't giving that to him.
Yeah.
And so out of desperation, because we were walking him around the house pretty much all night when he wasn't sleeping as well, we bought this and he really loves it. So that's on this side of the bed. I usually just have an extra blanket that I throw over the end of it.
And you gotta show them, we gotta show you guys quick too, like, so you turn it on and it just gently rocks back and forth. So
amazing.
that's the motion we're talking about.
It's amazing. We also keep a little bowl here. I keep extra stuff. This is one of his extra little jammies. A little swaddle. He's still being swaddled. I got some of my vitamins in there. Books, his little baby monitor, like stuff like that over here. And then of course his laundry basket. So speaking of laundry, this little guy goes through quite a bit of it. Multiple outfit changes a day usually. And I'm really excited because we actually have an awesome sponsor for today's video. So big shout out to Drops for sponsoring today. We've been using their laundry detergent pods for a while now and we're absolutely in love with them. They even have a sensitive skin and baby version, which is what we use on baby Jagger's laundry. Drops products are super convenient and give you powerful cleaning from nature. I love that they're made with plant and mineral based ingredients.
I also really like that they have compostable cardboard packaging that's designed specifically to reduce single-use plastics.
Definitely. Drops is also the official household cleaning partner of Oceana, which is the world's largest ocean conservancy organization. Drops product line includes laundry detergent, fabric softener, oxy booster, dishwasher detergent, Swedish dishcloths, and laundry accessories. By using Drops, you're helping turn the tide against toxic pollution, single-use plastic waste, and animal cruelty. Drops products are available online at drops.com, and you guys can get 25% off if you use our code WEISSFAM, and you can subscribe to save even more on auto shipments. Thanks again to Drops for sponsoring today's video. You guys can get more info by checking out the link in the description box below.
Wow. Somebody likes the lounger.
I love the noises he's making. He's so chatty this week. It's like he went from all of a sudden making like no noises at all unless it was a cry to now he found his voice and he talks all the time and it's so cute.
I can't tell if he's got a pooper. Oh, and I gotta say, that Drops detergent for the baby works so well, getting all those little stains and everything out.
Oh
like,
my gosh.
Big thumbs up over here.
Stains, other stains.
Yeah.
It does a great job. So moving over to the other side of the bed, this is actually where we keep most of baby Jagger's stuff. And we're totally just gonna hear him talk now in the background because he's, like I said, super verbal today. We have this little crate on top of his little, he has this little like IKEA, what would you call this?
Little, I don't know, little shelf?
It's like a little shelf. The little crate on top, we keep all of his baby books, so when we read to him, like it's all right here, super convenient. He has a little glass jar filled with all of his Binky choices. He's still not sure which ones he likes the best.
I know which
he kind
ones
of
he
goes,
likes the best.
The animal one, you think? Yeah, the animal one's pretty cute. But we have a bunch of different choices for him because and sizes and stuff, so we keep them there, so they're pretty handy. And then these are my favorite baby toys. This is a little basket. We call it his fruit salad toys.
Oh, gosh.
They had these at Target, I think, last season or something. And we got them. I think I was still pregnant. But they're like little, they make little noises and they have rattles. And like, how cute are those? And they're super colorful and soft. It's a little lemon with a face on it. So we keep these toys separate up here just so that we always know where they are because they're tiny and can get lost very easily. Gemma always comes in here and ends up taking them. And so we're always kind of looking for them. So keeping them in a separate basket helps. Underneath, do you want to show them underneath in the baskets?
Sure.
So I kind of utilize this for extra storage. I've got breast pump supplies in here. In this one, we have more bed sheets and also some swaddles and stuff because we're still in swaddles right now for him. And then underneath here, this is extra blankets and like DockATalk covers. This is a really awesome blanket that his grandma made for him. Look how cute is this. She crocheted this. Actually, we should have this out for you. We'll put it in his bed. And then the other drawer just has like a bunch of random stuff. Like this is for like a nasal aspirator, his little foot monitor thing. There's little what are these called? Headrests. Yeah. We just use it for extra storage. Honestly, he's done with a lot of that stuff, so we'll probably move it out into storage and then use it for more toys.
We forgot to talk about this up in the front little corner here. There's a little basket that has diapers and wipes and little bath mat, things like that.
He is so noisy today.
Is he looking in the mirror?
Yeah, he loves looking in mirrors. Hey, do you see yourself? Who's that? So on this side of the bed, we have a little portable crib. And I think I've talked about this before on IG stories.
Yeah.
But we go with the porta cribs over like an actual crib. And one of the biggest reasons, other than for just convenience, because it's a little bit smaller, but normally we travel a lot. And it's so nice to be able to have like their actual bed from home. They sleep so much better when you take that with you versus like them having to sleep in something they're unfamiliar with while you're traveling. So
And it
that's,
actually
like, a
has,
huge
and I
tip.
don't know if you can see here too, it actually, we have like, there's the regular base. Ooh, let me see if I can give you better lighting. There's the regular base, and then there's like a mattress we have. It's really firm, but a little bit softer than the standard mat.
It's just thicker, so, because the other ones get kind of not dented, but like, what's the word I'm looking for? Where they get like just really worn, like indented maybe?
Yeah, indented.
So having the extra like crib mattress in there, like an actual crib mattress, makes a big difference. You've got a really good grip on my hair, dude. So as part of our room makeover, we actually got some new bed sheets and pillows for our bed as well, so it kind of matched a little bit more. If you guys remember watching our last room tour, it was very purple. We still have a little bit of purpley gray on the walls here, but now we kind of have a lot of different colors. We've got black and white and orange and blue, and it's very bohemian-ish.
I feel like if I did this, you'd be like, Jeff, that doesn't go together.
But it does, though. And look how cute this is. Like, how cute is that? It does go. Oh, Jagger's smiling. He thinks it goes too. And it matches his outfit today.
So on the nightstand over here, we have this little bowl, and it has like the little thermostat, some A&D ointment stuff, little creams, and some little bedside
Nasal
things.
aspirators,
Yeah,
like all of
in
his
case
little
he
medical
needs
stuff
them.
and if he needs it.
And then in here, what do we have, honey?
So the top drawer is actually his clothes that currently fit him. And it looks like one of the other kids was in here helping out.
Or me?
Somebody was looking for an outfit and messed it up a little, but those are all his current clothes that fit him. And then the next drawer is clothes for him to grow into. And then this is actually his photo blanket for his monthly photos, and I've got some holiday stuff over here. And the bottom drawer is just used for extra storage for stuff like breast milk bags, bottle liners, extra baby wipes that don't fit in the basket, all that kind of stuff. As he gets a little older, it'll probably be used for clothes too. So I know that this video is like a little bit unusual because it's not like an actual on its own nursery, but this is what we found that's like worked the best for us. We really like sharing with our kiddos until they're, gosh, what, almost 2 years old? How long was Gemma in our room for?
Oh, well, we changed houses. Oh no, she was born when we
She was
switched
born
houses,
right when we came here, but I mean, even when they grow out of their little crib, because they still usually are potty training at that point, we tend to put like a little toddler mattress on the floor so that if they wake up to go potty at night, we can help them. And yeah, Gemma just moved into her own twin bed in one of the big kids' rooms. Gosh, like what, 6 months before he was born?
Yeah.
So we keep him in our room for a while. And by the time he's old enough to be moving to his own room, we might not even be living in this house anymore.
Ooh.
So-
Spoiler.
Spoiler alert.
That's really.
No, it's not really, but we've talked about moving a bunch, and so we're not really planning long term for like a room set up for him in this house. A lot of people have asked that. So
And
that's
we
why I
do
wanna
have a
talk about
guest
it.
bedroom, but we prefer that for grandparents and what have you. And we really like the girls sharing rooms together. I think it's important that they learn those skills.
Absolutely. And they like sharing too. Like they're always having like it's like a little sister sleepover every night. But in the chance that we do decide to stay, we do have that extra guest room available that we've talked about redoing and adding a bed or bunk beds or something in there for extra sleeping arrangements. So we just kind of have to wait and see how things go. Right now, we're just kind of taking it day by day though. But we are day by day. We are really excited with how this turned out. We love our new room, or Jagger. I almost called him Gemma.
Wouldn't be the first time
When you
I've
have
done that.
6 kids. So overall, we really love how the room makeover turned out, and little Jagger seems to love it too. He's got lots of little areas to play and nap and
Hangout spots.
tons of hangout spots, and I really like how we were able to organize his like books and toys and all of his stuff to make it like the most functional for us. I think it turned out amazing. So that's it for our room makeover, room reveal, nursery tour.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave us some video suggestions down in the comments below. We're getting pretty current now on this channel.
Yeah,
which is
we got
exciting.
a little behind for a while because Jagger had some complications, and then we kind of got off track. But I think we're back on the
Took a
video
little time
train.
off, exactly. And big shout out to Drops again. Thanks so much for sponsoring today's video. If you guys check them out, make sure to click that link in the description box below and use our code WeissFam for 25% off. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.